You found a car and you think it's a good deal. Now you just got to sign, right? Not so fast. Cars are expensive, but almost everything about buying them is variable, and there's more than just sticker price. The first and usually biggest cost is the car itself. Focus on the total price instead of the monthly payment. If it's a new car, you'll hear the phrase MSRP thrown around. That's manufacturer suggested retail price. This price varies for the same kind of car, depending on trim level, optional packages, and dealership incentives. But there's more to getting a fair price than knowing the MSRP. There are plenty of places online where you can see what people around you are paying. You've also got calculators that can help you figure out how much you can afford. The average car price in the US is $36,000, and chances are you don't have it lying around, which means you'll have to finance. And that means interest. Your interest rate depends on several factors, like what your credit score is and how much of a down payment you can make. For a loan of 30 grand, the average interest would work out to $31.50 over the life of the loan. But the trend for buyers is to get much longer loans with less money down. That means even more interest. Like the interest rate, insurance depends heavily on your record. But instead of your financial history, this depends on your driving record. If you're a good driver, your rates will be lower than if you had a lot of accidents or tickets. Insurance also depends on where you live. For good drivers, NerdWallet found the average monthly premium was $200 a month in Michigan, but only $120 a month in New York. Most of the other things are small charges like tax, license, and registration. These fees vary from state to state, but they're usually just a percentage of the sale or a simple dollar amount. The price of driving doesn't stop when you leave the dealership. Maintenance and repairs add about 4% to the overall cost of a vehicle over 5 years. And while 4% may not sound like a lot, it can mean thousands of dollars depending on the cost of your vehicle. There are some things a driver can do to keep more of their money. Consider doing maintenance yourself. Choose your auto repair shop wisely, drive smart, and keep on top of things. If you're set on getting a new car, one of the biggest costs is one you won't see in your bank account. It's depreciation. A new car can depreciate by 19% in just the first year. Before you sign on the dotted line, make sure you can afford all the extras that come with buying and owning a car.